Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation bar you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the buttons, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. I just don't remember which one, but trust me, you will know. So just the square icon or 3 bars icon. But if you've got that gesture set, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom of your device to the center and hold your finger somewhere here. So let me do it just like that, and now we can release the finger. And as you can see here, we've got all previously open tabs. I've got only 2. If you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't have time to just manually turn them off, just tap on clear all. And we automatically got back to the home page. Let's enter the recents to check, and as you can see, we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.